Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Decentralized Chain, your go-to channel for all things blockchain, cryptocurrency, and DeFi. I'm Feroz, and today we're diving into the exciting world of DePIN as we explore the top 10 DePIN projects you need to watch in 2024. But before we do, jump into the action. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date with the latest and greatest in crypto universe. All right, let's get started. So kicking off our list is Project Wi-Fi Map. Now, imagine a world where it's seamlessly connected to the internet. No matter where you are, Wi-Fi Map is making this a reality with its community-driven, decentralized wireless network, boasting a whopping 4.5 billion Wi-Fi hotspots, and with the ticker Wi-Fi, the ERC20 token fueling the ecosystem, the possibilities are certainly growing. Now, the current price of Wi-Fi is approximately about 16 cents. Given its innovative approach to the global internet access, a bullish market could see its value significantly increase as it becomes integral to daily digital life. Now, for potential future price points, we're looking, and I would say at a slow growth of anywhere between 20 cents to even 30 cents from where we are today. Now, if you kind of speed that up and say, well, where we're looking at medium term, I would most probably think that we're looking somewhere at around 35 cents to the 45 cent mark. And let's say everything goes absolutely crazy, and we're obviously in a bull market. When that peak comes in, I suspect, based on previous price action, based on where it could potentially go, anywhere from 50 to 70 cents. Now let's talk about Project Arweave. So a decentralized storage network where data lives forever. That's exactly what Arweave offers, with its perma-web providing a home for countless community-driven applications and platforms. With data security and immutability at its core, Arweave is set to redefine the future of storage. Now, Arweave's current price is around $34. Its unique value proposition of permanent data storage could lead to a substantial price appreciation during a bull run, especially as demand for decentralized storage solution grows. So even looking at Fibonacci retracement levels, slow growth could take us to anywhere from $40 to $50. And again, if you kind of look at the mid-range, the growth could anywhere be up from 55 to 75. And let's put in the bull peak scenario, right? I suspect we could see it going anywhere near $85 to $115. Next up, we have Project Akash Network. Now, this decentralized cloud computing platform is leveling the playing field by connecting server owners with users in need of cloud resources. With its open source marketplace and native token, AKT, Akash Network is empowering users to host applications with ease, and again, is currently priced at around $5. Now, as the cloud computing market continues to expand, I think Akash Network's role could become increasingly critical, potentially driving its price up in a bullish scenario. And potential price points include, if we look at it from a slow growth perspective, anywhere from where we are now up to around $8. How about the medium term? Medium, I reckon we'd be looking at anywhere from $9 to $12. And in a bull peak scenario, I think we could quite easily push to as close as $18. And let's not forget about the OG Render Network. Now, as a leading provider of decentralized GPU-based rendering solutions, Render Network is revolutionizing 3D rendering work and applications by connecting artists with node operators. Render Network is paving the way for scalable, efficient, and rendering in the digital economy. Now, Render's current price is sitting at around $10.50. Now, with the growing demand for rendering services in gaming, movies, and virtual reality, I think Render could see a significant gain in a future bull market. And again, once we start looking at some of the price actions that we've seen, I reckon even if you were to say a slow growth period, it would be anywhere from $12 to $16. Medium, I would say we're looking up close to 18 to 24. And in all honesty, I think once we get into a full-blown bull peak, I reckon Render could quite easily do a 3x from where we are here, which will put it at around $34. Now, on to Project Filecoin. Now, this decentralized storage network is changing the game with its efficient market for unused storage. Now, by leveraging the interplanetary file storage protocol, Filecoin ensures permanent file storage distributed across the web. So again, you can say goodbye to centralized cloud storage solutions. And Filecoin's price is currently sitting at around $9.50 also. And as the digital world continues to generate vast amounts of data, I'd say Filecoin's solution could become increasingly valuable, potentially leading to a significant price increase in a bullish market. For Filecoin, again, slow growth, I could see it easily going up to $15. If we're looking more in the mid-range, anywhere from $17 to $23. And again, once we start looking at bull peak blow-off tops, I reckon this could quite easily push to $26, if not to $35. And again, let's not overlook Project Theta Network as a decentralized video streaming network. Theta Network is harnessing blockchain technology to revolutionize content delivery. Now, with support from industry veterans like Steve Chen and Justin Kan, Theta Network is poised for greatness in 2024. Theta's current price also stands at approximately just under $3. And given its innovative approach to content delivery and strong industry backing, I think Theta could experience a substantial growth in a bull market as well. Potential future price points include slow growth, I would say anywhere to $3.5 to $4.5. Let's look at the mid-range. I would say that would be going from $5 to $6. And in a bull peak scenario, I would suspect anywhere we're pushing close to $8. Now, moving along, we have Helium, or HNT. Now, this blockchain network for Internet of Things devices is making waves with its innovative approach to wireless communication with nodes called hotspots, earning rewards in HNT. So Helium is ushering in a new era of connectivity in IoT. Helium is currently priced at around $7.37. And as IoT devices become more prevalent, Helium's network could see increased adoption, potentially leading to a significant price increase, again, during a bullish period. Looking at some of the previous price history, I would suspect that even in a slow growth phase, Helium could well be pushing close to $10.5. How about medium range? $11.5 to most likely around just under $15. And again, if we start looking at bull peak scenarios, I think we could quite easily push to $20. And let's not forget about Project IOTA. With its unique architecture approach and open source product suite, IOTA is bridging the gap between individual businesses and institutions in Web3. Built on Tangle, IOTA enables secure transfers of data and value on a decentralized platform. And given its potential to facilitate seamless data and value exchange in the IoT and beyond, IOTA could see substantial growth again within the bull market period. Now, on to Project Spheron Network. This Web3 infrastructure platform is decentralizing cloud storage and computing like never before. With audited data centers joining the Spheron marketplace, users can enjoy permissionless access and heightened security for their data. Plus, with features like auto-scaling, instances, and real-time metrics, I say Spheron Network is a force to be reckoned with. And as the demand for decentralized cloud solution grows, I would say Spheron could significantly benefit from a bullish market trend. And we also have Project Krest. Now, this platform for innovation in the Peaq Ecosystem is empowering the community to launch dApps and tools for real-world impacts. With live tests using IoT hardware and connections, Krest is pushing the boundaries, I would say, of what's possible in the decentralized finance space. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 DePIN projects to watch in 2024. From revolutionizing lending and borrowing to enhancing scalability and operability, these projects are leading the charge towards a decentralized future. But our journey doesn't end here. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Decentralized Chain, and ring that bell to stay ahead of the curve with the latest updates in the crypto space. And I'll see you on the next one.